So how do you look at the zip files on an iPhone, and let's talk about it. So if you are new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, of course, you may find some like zip files on your iPhone within the Files application, but you might kind of have problem to like open those up, right? You can see that it doesn't really work the same way. So for that, I would recommend you to just check out the App Store and download some kind of application which lets you open up the zip files, right? So for example, there is the the one which is called like zip or unzip or unrar. You can see plenty of different options that you can pick from, but I have one installed, and now when I located the zip file within my Files app, I can hold down on it, click on Open With, and open it through the iRAR application, which gets the job done for me. So you can just download the same one, right? So you click on it, and it just opens it up inside in here, right? So it just moves it, you tap on it, you extract it, and you can see we now have the folder with all of the contents in it. So that's how you can open it, right? I wish it were a little bit simpler, but we kind of need to use this third-party app for it, but it gets the job done, it works, it's for free, right? So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials. But of course, only if you subscribe, so do that first, and I'll see you later.